Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema and I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic Maxwell inductance bridge. With the help of this bridge, we can find the value of unknown inductance. Here in this bridge, R1 is unknown resistance, L1 is unknown inductance whose value we can find with the help of comparing two voltage drop and find the value of L1. Here R2 is known resistance, L2, here R2 is variable resistor, L2 is known inductance, R3 and R4 are non-inductive resistance. Here now we can see the component L1 unknown inductance, R1 unknown resistance, R2 variable resistor, this is mainly used for balance condition in which we set the value of resistance. L2 is known inductance, whose resistance R2, R3 and R4 are non-inductive resistance. Now we can solve this bridge. Now we can provide supply with the help of voltage. Current I is flowing in the circuit. This current is divided in I1 and I2. Here in this bridge, at balance condition, the voltage drop of one side is equal to voltage drop of another side. Hence, we can solve this bridge at balance condition. Here, at balance condition, voltage drop of this side is E1, voltage drop of this side is E2, voltage drop of this side is E4, voltage drop of this side is E3. Now we can solve this circuit at balance condition. Hence, at balance condition, voltage drop of one side is equal to voltage drop of other side. Hence, E1 upon E2 is equal to E3 upon E4. Now we can compare the voltage drop. Here E1 is I1 into Z1 upon I2 into Z2. So we can see this I1 is equal to R1 plus j omega L1 upon I2, or this is R2 plus R2 plus j omega L2. Here we can put this value in equation number 1. So I1 R1 plus j omega L1 upon I2 into R2 plus j omega L2. The value of E3 is I1 into R3, or E4 is I2 into R4. Now the current of both sides is equal. Now we can multiply this equation. Now we can apply cross multiplication. Hence we get R1 R4 plus j omega L1, R2 plus R2 into R3 plus j omega L2 into R2. This is our equation number second. Now in equation second we can compare our real and imaginary part. Hence compare real and imaginary part. Hence we get, at compare real parts, we get R1 R4 equal to R2 plus R2 into R3. Hence we get value of R1 which is equal to R2 plus R2 into R3 into R4. This is our equation number 3. With the help of equation number 3, we can find the value of unknown resistance. Now we can compare imaginary part. On comparing imaginary part, we get here j omega L1 into R4 होगा. Now we can compare imaginary part. Here we get j omega L1 into R4 is equal to j omega L2 into R2. Here j omega is cancelled out and we get the value of L1 which is equal to L2 into R3 upon R4. This is our equation number 4. With the help of equation number 4, we can find the value of unknown inductance L1. Here we can see phasor diagram for Maxwell inductance bridge, in which E1 and E2 is lagging to the current I because of inductance value j omega L1 equal to j omega L2, and the I1 R3 I2 R4 which is always to the ground because the value of their resistance. Now with both these phasors we can draw the resultant voltage E, and draw with dotted line we can find the phasor diagram for Maxwell bridge. Here with the help of Maxwell inductance bridge we can find the value of unknown inductance L1. If you have any query, then you can message me. I am waiting for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.